Hey guys, AI is absolutely everywhere right now, but let's cut through all that noise. If you're wondering what it really is, how it works, and how it can drive results for your business, you are not alone. That's why I'm creating a series of simple, practical videos to help make sense of it all. Today, I'll run us through the basics of how AI works, how it's delivered, and some real-world use case scenarios across industries. Okay, let's keep it short, sharp, and simple. Let's go. At a high level, here are the core AI terms you should know about. Artificial intelligence is the broadest concept. They are machines that act smart. One way to do that is through machine learning, which is a subset of AI where systems learn from the data and they improve over time. There are other subsets too, like deep learning, computer vision, and robotics, but we won't cover those right now. Machine learning starts with training data like images, text, or numbers, which is used to build a model. The model is the system that has learned from that data. For example, ChatGPT is a trained model. Inference is what happens when the trained model produces an answer. That's all you need to know. You probably won't hear it again, actually. You might also hear, however, natural language processing, or NLP. That's AI understanding and using human language. Think of voice assistants like Siri. They use NLP to interpret what you're saying. Large language models, which you'll hear often, is a type of NLP model trained on massive amounts of text. They can write articles, summarize documents, or answer questions. And yes, ChatGPT is an example of an LLM. Prompts are simple. They're the instructions you give the model, like write me a job ad for a marketing role. Hallucinations is something many or all of us have faced. Hallucination is when the AI gives you the wrong answer. So for example, if you ask it, what's the time in WA, and it gives you Sydney time, that's incorrect. And yes, AI can make mistakes, so just watch out. Overall, generative AI refers to AI that can create new content like text, images, video, or music based on your prompt. Examples include ChatGPT for text, Adobe Firefly for images, Canva Magic for design, 11 Labs for voice, and Sora by OpenAI for video creation, and so on. Okay, so far, so good, right? We just learned some basic AI terms. Now let's talk about how AI can be delivered. When it comes to using AI in your business, there are three main ways it can be deployed. Let's break them down. The first one is embedded AI. This is when AI is built directly into the software or product you already use. Copilot in Microsoft 365 is an example of this. The second way is API-based AI. This is where you connect your existing systems to the vendor's AI using APIs. For example, you might use OpenAI's API to add a chatbot to your website, or Google's Vision API to scan and interpret images. The third method is AI platforms. You'd use that if you want full control over your data, your models and workflows, or if you're creating something unique that off-the-shelf AI simply just can't handle. AI platforms like Microsoft Azure, AWS Bedrock, Google Cloud Vertex AI let you build, train, and deploy custom AI models at scale. So in short, embedded AI is ready to use built-in tools you already have. APIs let you plug third-party AI into your business processes. And finally, platforms enable building and scaling custom AI across your organization. But there's also kind of a fourth option, which is prepackaged AI. Some providers may offer prepackaged AI like a customizable chatbot, combining APIs and platforms. The API connects you to the AI model, and the platform like Microsoft Azure runs it securely for scale. And finally, let's look at some real-world use cases, because AI can offer many life-changing applications for businesses across many industries. For example, in healthcare, AI can help detect tumors early from your scans and use virtual assistants to handle patient queries faster. In banking, AI can detect suspicious transactions instantly and help bankers assess credit risk more accurately. In retail, AI chatbots can quickly handle customer questions and also personalize recommendations. In transportation, think of AI as something that can optimize delivery routes to save time and save on costs for you and them, or for them and you. In education, AI can create personalized learning plans and automate grading. And finally, in marketing, AI can also help you analyze social media sentiment and enable precise ad targeting. That's a lot. That's just a quick sample of where AI can make a real difference. Here are my final thoughts. AI is already transforming industries. The question isn't if, it's when and how you'll use it in your business. In summary, today we covered key AI concepts, how AI is delivered, and some industry-specific use cases. Please click like if this video has helped you understand AI just a little bit better. And if you ever need help exploring how AI could work for your business, just reach out and keep an eye out for more of my practical AI videos coming soon. Okay, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.